Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Crosby, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please consider clicking the subscribe button and also ringing the notification bell to get notified anytime I make a new video upload. Okay, so in today's build we'll be talking about a tool, an online tool called Undraw. And basically what Undraw does is it's an illustration tool. So if you need illustration for your project, you simply have to use Undraw. It's a free resource that you can import into your project, whether you are a UI designer or a web developer who is looking for illustrations for their project. So to start off, just simply go to Google and search for Undraw, and then click the very first link, which is undraw.co. Once you are on the page, you'll be greeted with this Undraw landing page, and basically it gives you a fair idea about what the Undraw platform is about. And it was created by Katarina. I wouldn't dare mention the last name because it's quite tempting. You can also check her out on Twitter, and if you haven't followed me on Twitter as well, please consider following me on Twitter as well. So the developer for Undraw, the developer that worked on Undraw is this guy as well, so you can check him out on Twitter. Undraw also has a plugin for UI design tools like AdobeXD. I don't know if they have one for Figma yet, but I'm sure they might, or probably you can simply export your SVGs from the Undraw website and then use it in your app or project. And then there have been a number of reviews from people as well, so you can read through them when you visit the site as well by clicking the thankful link. Okay, enough of that. So to use Undraw, you simply have to click browse now, and then when you click browse now, it gives you a range of illustrations that are given a specific color. So in case, let's say you want to use a different color, I'm going to use the color picker tool from my Firefox. I use the Firefox developer version, so you can simply pick color from anywhere, and then once it's copied, you simply have to click the color or the purple box over here and then paste in your color, your preferred color. So this was the color that I copied from the page, but you can also use any other color as well. So if you're working on a project and your color scheme is this particular red shade, then you are good to go. You simply have to click this, or you simply have to choose a different color. Or you can have, if you have your defined color palette and then you need to use one of your color palettes as your illustration base color, you can simply get the hex color code and then paste it over there. And then in case you do not have the hex code and you are given something else like an RGB or something, you can simply go to Google and search color picker. So when you come to the Google's color picker, you realize we have RGB over here, we have CMYK, we have the HSV, and then HSL. So all of these are color codes that can be used in design or web development or mobile development. So based on what you are looking for example, if I want the hex color, the RGB color for this shade of blue, I simply have to select the part that I want, and by default it will give me the RGB. And in case I have the RGB, let me refresh the page. If I have the RGB and I want the hex code, I simply have to paste it over here and it gives me the hex code. So I can simply come and copy and then click this particular box again come over here, select everything, and then paste it. Now I have my well-defined color, so I can simply click. For example, if I want this selfie, I can simply click to download, and it exports its illustrations in two formats. One is the SVG, and then the other one is for PNG. And then by their description, they've already given you a clue about which format is best for use. So if you are working on mobile app or web app, the SVG is a very good file format to use because you can get it to scale irrespective of the screen, and it wouldn't lose its quality, unlike the PNG. But the PNG is more for social media posts. So depending on what you are looking for, you can simply click any of the two file formats, and then you have the SVG exported. So what about searching? If you want to search for a specific group of illustrations, you can simply click the search over there, and then when it comes here, you simply have to type what you are looking for. Maybe birthday, let's say birthday. So it will give you a range of illustrations that depict the search term that you defined. So in this case, we have a number of birthday illustrations. So if I were to choose, probably I might go for this. So once you click it, and then the color is right as well, you can simply click download SVG or PNG, depending on what you're working on. So I'll go over the color again. If you want to change the color, you simply have to click this box over here and then change the color, and it does it in real time. So you can simply grab it, and then you click download, and it will download, and then you have the file over there. So we can also do something like computers. So it gives us a range of illustrations that depict the search term, which is computers in this case. So in summary, Undraw is a very helpful tool that every designer or every developer can use to enhance their projects. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please consider clicking the subscribe button and also ringing the notification bell to get notified. Thank you.